All right, check out this view. I'm on top of a roof right now in Hollywood Hills area. But that's not why I'm making this video. Yeah, I'm not inspecting those chimney flues either. What I wanted to show you is a great example of what the hell were they thinking. Check this out. Look at this mess. Well, we got a plumbing vent here. Cable wire coming through it, which to me probably means that this is no longer in service and there's a big hole going through the roof. But better than that is this one. We got an old exhaust vent pipe here, which appears to have electrical conduit coming out of it, going all the way over here, and now you have this big patch. So I can't wait to get inside and see what the hell's going on under here. What a mess. This is just absolute hack right here. Let's take this cover off. Okay, so you can see the conduit. You can see the electrical conduit going down. So this is, now I can see into the attic here. So this is an abandoned vent, and they're using it to run electrical conduit. For what, I have no idea. But something used to be on the roof, and they just left it and didn't disconnect it or didn't take it down and didn't fix the roof. And this is a really high quality shingle right here. It's a very expensive type, very long lasting. And look what they did to it. They just hacked it. Wow. Butchery at its best. Anyway, I've never seen this before. Electrical conduit running up through here and then patched. Get your home inspected, seriously. You never know what you're gonna find. I did not expect to see this up here. I see a new roof, I see this kind of a shingle. And when I see this kind of shingle, I'm like, oh wow, okay, so somebody was just recently here and did this. And then I see this. Get your home inspected, call theauthority.com, and we'll take care of you. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. I really appreciate that.